Canyon is one of the most biggest things in the whole world, and it's also one of the best touristic attractions in the whole United States. It's located in Arizona, and it has a various ecosystem and a beautiful site. But how was it formed, you may ask? Well, the forming of the Grand Canyon was thanks to the erosion and the weathering. But how did that happen? Well, it took thousands and millions of years, approximately 6 million years, for the Colorado River to form completely the Grand Canyon, and it's still growing and growing and growing. And how can we prove erosion in our house? Well, watch the next experiment that I'm sure that you will like a lot. Erosion has been a good and a bad thing in the world because it has gave us a lot of good attractions, like for example the Grand Canyon. But it has also created some problems because it may happen in places like ecosystems or forests where it can damage all of the land and it can kill animals and plants. But there is one way that we can fight erosion, and it's as simple as growing and planting plants and trees. How, you may be asking? Well, watch the next experiment to prove it. My hypothesis is the best way to fight erosion is by planting plants and trees. Hello, and today I bring to you this very simple experiment that you can do in your house. First of all, we will need 6 water bottles. 3 of them need to be cut in half, and the other 3 need to be cut right here in this rectangular form. We will also need dirt, grass, old leaves and branches, water, and some of these, which can be either strings or any other things. Once it's all like this, what you're going to do is that you're going to be pouring water during 4 whole days. And the purpose of this is to see how does the water comes out. Once it's completely compacted, you're just going to put water in the 3 of them by 4 days. It should be like this. And that's it. I hope you like it, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Well, so here we are in day 1, and how you can see, these are the results after 1 day. You can see a little bit of water came out, but the problem is that it came out very dirty. But hopefully during the next days it can get better. Goodbye. Welcome to day 2, and we're going to see how does this go. Okay, now on the grass. And on the leaves and branches. Interesting. Well, let's see how does everything go tomorrow. Hello and welcome to the last day of the experiment. And we are going to pour in the water. And finally right here. Yeah, I think we need some more water. Okay, let's pour it in. Now, just finished pouring it in here. And, well, these are the results. I hope you like it, and I hope that you try this experiment at home. See you next time. Goodbye. After you have seen all of these experiments, which was very interesting, I hope you do it in your house. Now, I already have the answer of how and why is planting plants the best way to fight erosion. The reason of this is principally because the plants actually make even stronger all of the land, because the land needs to grow a lot of, for example, the trees need roots with, and the land needs to be proper so like that the trees can grow properly. And one of my observations is that the water that came out of the plants, of the bottle that came out of the plants, was the clearest water of all. So that's why I think that planting plants is the best way to fight erosion. Goodbye.